Moving on, South Africa has said that it has noted the filing of Israel's response to its written pleadings in the case before the International Court of Justice concerning the conflict in the Gaza Strip. The South African government says that it will now study Israel's response before deciding on the next step in these proceedings. The case, remember, relates to allegations of genocidal acts committed during Israel's military operations in Gaza. As per South African presidency, the court had initially ordered Israel to file its response by July 2025, following South Africa's submission of its memorial in October 2024. However, Israel requested extensions to the court-imposed deadline on 2 occasions, which were subsequently granted by the ICJ. South Africa says Palestinians in Gaza continue to face ongoing bombardment and worsening humanitarian conditions. The South African government says the situation has been compounded by rising tensions in the Gulf and Israel's attacks on Lebanon. President Cyril Ramaphosa said the crisis in Gaza highlighted the need for renewed commitment to international law and the multilateral system. For more details, our correspondent Kalden Ongmu has sent us this report from Johannesburg.
South Africa is reviewing Israel's response in its genocide case at the International Court of Justice over the war in Gaza Strip. Israel filed its submission on Thursday after receiving at least 2 deadline extensions. A statement from the presidency said Pretoria is considering whether to submit further written arguments or proceed directly to oral hearings. President Cyril Ramaphosa reaffirmed South Africa's commitment to upholding international law and supporting the court in holding states accountable. South Africa filed its 84-page case in December 2023, accusing Israel of committing genocide in Gaza and seeking an order to halt its military assault. Israel has rejected the allegation, saying the case lacks a factual and legal basis. This is Kalden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.